on, you little duck! Let's see how you can stop me!
Check this out! Oops!
I'll come back!
Whew! The town is finally safe! Oh no! It's a nest! I have an idea! Let's go get the super construction team to help us! Loader, crane, and excavator! Our town has been damaged! It needs help! Got it! Super construction team! Go!
How can I be left out of the rescue?
Look! A big tree is blocking the road! We can't get through! The monster is causing trouble again! Leave it to us! Wow! We need to remove the big tree! Which vehicle should we ask for help? I'll try. Let's tie up the tree with a rope first. The crane boom can lift the heavy tree. There's a lot of debris. Which construction vehicle should we use? Let me do it. Use the bucket to remove the debris. There's a puppy under the debris. Let's go rescue it. I'm stuck in the mud. I can't move. Puppy, I'll get you out of there.
Kids! I'm here.
Grandpa Excavator, how come you don't get stuck in the mud?
Of course. That's because I have tracked wheels. Regular wheels will get stuck in the mud, but tracked wheels can grip the ground firmly and move steadily.
The puppy is still trapped under there. Let's go rescue it.
Hop in.
Move the handle left to press the button and the bucket can't move the giant rock.
I have 3 types of attachments. Each of them can solve a different problem.
Now the rock is blocking the way. Which one? The grapple is too small to grab the giant rock. Breaker. Move the handle left and right to press the button. The breaker is so strong it can break the rock. Move the handle left and right to make the attachment move. There's a lot of broken stones. Look carefully. Which one should we use to clear it? Bucket. Move the handle and get the bucket moving. The bucket is like a big spoon that can scoop up a lot of stones. The puppy is at the bottom! Let's see which attachment can grab the cage. Grapple! Move the handle to catch the cage and save the... The grapple is like a big hand that can grab things on the ground. Tap on the cage to free the puppy.
Finally, we got the puppy out!
Great! Thanks to the construction team! Let's give them awards! First, it is the Strongman Award. Which one is the strongest and can remove the big tree? Which one? Ta-da! The Strongman Award goes to Crane! Next up, the Magical Hand Award. It lifts a pile of stones with its big hand. It goes to Loader! And finally, it's our All-Around Star Award. Which vehicle has many functions and is not afraid of muddy ground? Is the Excavator! Quacky! The most awesome hero award!
Hero Quacky, come wash your hands and get ready for dinner.
I'm coming!